County, Illinois. Automated
One to 2 inches of rain has fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches
are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by heavy rain. Source: radar and automated gauges. The following impacts are expected: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas.
Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Paducah, Metropolis, Calvert City, La Center, Wickliffe, Lone Oak, Reedland, Brookport, Salem, Barlow, West Paducah, Barkley Regional Airport, New Columbia, Ledbetter, Lovelessville, Berna, Keble, Joppa, Olmsted, and Smithland. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Massac and Pope, and the following counties in Kentucky:
Ballard, Livingston, and McCracken. The National Weather Service